The issue of deep-seated and massive corruption in the bureaucracy, which resurfaced in the flood control mess, is intertwined with patronage politics and the familiar personalities behind it. Thus, a proposed anti-political bill is high in next month's legislative agenda, with no less than the sitting House Speaker who is sponsoring and filing a consolidated version of it, which our Mela Lismora sums up in this report.
As part of the House of Representatives' anti-corruption efforts, the House Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms is targeting to begin discussions on the anti-political dynasty bill this December. According to Committee Chair Zia Alonto Adjong, they are only waiting for the version to be filed by House Speaker Faustino Boji D. III so it can be consolidated with other related proposals.
Isa po ito sa mga prioridad ng leadership ng House of Representatives. So meron po tayong dyan nakahain, I think, kung mga siyam na versions. So ang sa akin lang, ang position ko, and I told this to the Speaker, that we are waiting for the version that would be carried by the leadership of the House so that we can consolidate. No?
At present, lawmakers have different views on what the proper definition of a political dynasty should be. But Adjong stressed that they will also listen to the voice of the people.
I think it's good also that and healthy for us to discuss about how the public really view what and define. Meron ho kaming anti-political dynasty in the BARM. So kaya nga sabi ko nga, with or without this bill, in 2028, kung di ako nagkakamali, meron din anti-political dynasty in the BARM. Ang nilagay po doon ng Parliament na pinasa po nila is within second degree. Second degree of consanguine.
Currently, one of the challenges being faced by the lower house is the involvement of some lawmakers in the flood control scandal. But Speaker D has already assured that House lawmakers will cooperate with all investigations while also performing their duties and responsibilities. The Makabayan Bloc, meanwhile, asserted once again,
lahat ng sangkot dapat managot. No, so talaga namang mali ang pag nakaupo sa pwesto na opisyal tapos meron ding direktang involvement sa mga contracts, franchises at iba pa. So mali talaga 'yan, no? At dapat talagang imbestigahan at kasuhan yung mga dapat kasuhan.
Mela Lismora from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.